So this video is for people who are brand new to cob homes. So you might be asking, what is a cob house? Is it a house made out of corn cobs? No, it's actually a cob is actually a lump of mud material, and that's what people use to build homes. It's actually a term that comes from England. They call it a cob. So a cob house is made out of a material called cob, and cob is composed of four main ingredients: subsoil, clay-rich subsoil, sand, some kind of aggregate, straw or fiber, which acts as a natural rebar for the material, and then water. And you mix it all together, and it's a very, it's almost like Play-Doh when it comes out. And you take a lump of this cob material, that's what they call a cob, it's a lump of this material, and you start to stack it and sculpt it. And essentially you sculpt it into a building. So you put this cob on top of a foundation, you sculpt it up, and as you keep rising up, you install your windows and your doors, and window and door lintels, and you keep stacking until you get to the top, and then you add your roof. So cob is an earthen building material that you use to build walls. So it's a non-toxic material. There are no nasty chemicals in there. It's completely natural and safe. It has a lot of very interesting properties for building, especially for homes. It has something called thermal mass, which helps to naturally regulate the indoor air temperature, so it can be very energy efficient. Can save you a lot of money on energy costs and things like that. Again, it's great for people with any kind of chemical sensitivities or allergies, because you get rid of all that nasty stuff like treated wood and drywall and synthetic paints, so you don't have all those chemicals that are just wreaking havoc on people. Cob is a very, very cool material to build with. You can do a lot of different interesting designs. It's great for curved walls and circular buildings. Myself personally, I build more of a conventional style, a lot of 90-degree sort of stuff. But still, there's a lot of room for creativity. You can actually sculpt with the material. A lot of people get very artistic with it. They sculpt on the walls, and pretty cool stuff. But anyway, earthen materials are sort of the way of the future of building, in my opinion. And I'm out here trying to promote these materials and teach people how to build with these earthen wall systems like cob and rammed earth and adobe, because they have a lot of benefits to us, a lot of benefits in a lot of ways, to our health, to our well-being, for the environment. So if you're interested in more information, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell for video updates, and scroll back through all my old videos. I've got tons of information on cob buildings and natural buildings. And if you're interested, you can go to my website and sign up for my free email newsletter at www.thiscobhouse.com. And I've got ebooks on there, I've got video courses, pretty much everything that you'd want as far as how to build these buildings and how to get started. So it's all there. It's all here on my YouTube channel. Check the links in the descriptions below, and it's all on my website, thiscobhouse.com. That's this cob. Cob is spelled C-O-B. So thiscobhouse.com. All right. Welcome.